So open up your grammar books. Okay, we will start with narration. As in the test, I have given a dialogue and many students, they have got it wrong. Dilpreet quite. Okay, so they have confused it with the rules of active and passive. Okay, they were changing will into will be. So what was the exact answer? Will into would in narration. Okay, active passive is not in your syllabus. Okay, so I am discussing it here. So the first rule is simply, first of all, I will go through the rules. Okay, if the reporting verb, you know, in narration, for example, Rohan said, I am going to the market. Now, in this case, this is reporting verb and this is reported speech. Yeah, there are some rules, okay, for that. So first of all, if the reporting verb is in simple present or it is in future tense, simple future, so then there is no change in reported speech. For example, Rohan says, I'm going to the market. Rohan says that he is going to the market. Okay, Rohan will say, so then again there will be no change in the reported speech. Then the next rule is, if there is universal truth, okay, or if there is any historical fact, or if there is any habitual action, so then there is also no change in the reported speech. Okay, then afterwards, if the in reporting verb, it is in past, that is said. Okay, so then what are the rules? Then the reported speech will change according to the tense. Okay, how it will change? Simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into, speak louder, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Okay, these are the rules for present tense. Okay, then if we talk about past tense, simple past will change into, for example, I am going to the market, he was going to the market. Okay, pronouns will change according to the rule of son. First person to change according to subject, second person according to object, and third person no change. Then simple past will change into past perfect. No, past perfect. Past perfect. For example, he was absent, so he had been आ जाएगा. Okay, right? Next, past perfect. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. We will do the examples of each and every one, okay, in the exercise part, right? So next afterwards, in case this is for past. Past perfect, sorry, past perfect, no change. That is past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, past perfect, no change. No change. Had will remain had. Has have will change into had, because simple present perfect will change into past perfect. Okay, and in case of future tense, will change into would, can into could, shall into should. But you have to see in case of future, when there is, for example, shall is there. Okay, so when you change into should, it will change into obligation. Okay, this I am always telling you people. Okay, shall will change into should otherwise according to the rule. But when we change it to should, it will turn into obligation. So there you will change it into would. Okay. Next, can into could, may into might. Okay. So these rules, and the others were related to the time, yesterday, the previous day, or the next tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. Okay, here, there. Okay, and last night, the previous night, hither, thither. Okay, so these are some of the basic rules for doing the narration. For each and every exercise, we will do the examples. Now let us start with the examples. Okay, so open up on page number 282. Open up on page number 282, go. Exercise 1 is on page number 266, sorry. It is on page number 266. So first one is, okay, one by one you will stand and speak the answer or raise up your hand. First one is, I said Ashok may come back in the evening. Might come back in the evening. My father said honesty is the best policy, because this is proverb, universal truth, so there will be no change. So according to it, my father said that honesty is the best policy. The teacher said the Sikhs defeated the English in the battle. No change. Good. Why? Because it is historical fact. So what will be the answer? Thus, that the Sikhs defeated the English in the battle. You said they were solving sums of arithmetic. This is which tense? They were solving past continuous. Past perfect continuous. So you said they were solving sums of arithmetic. You said that they had been solving sums of arithmetic. She said mother does not eat meat at all. This is because this is habit. Okay. Next. I said she should help her sister at that time. She should, we can change into ought to. No, here not. That is in that. Active and passive. She should. Next. She should help her sister at that time. You said they might have won the match. You said that they might had won the match. So in this manner, this will be done. Next, coming up to exercise 2, that is on page number 269. First one is, he said, I'm feeling out of sorts today. He was feeling out of sorts today, but that day, yes. So let us revise these changes, okay? These extra changes, for example, this into that, these into here, hence, thence. Hence will change into thence. Now, then, right. Today, that day. Tonight, that night. Tomorrow, the following day or the next day. Yesterday, the previous day or the day before. Last night, the previous night. Okay? Thus, so. Ago, before. Right? So let us change the second one. I said to him, uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. Said to will change into told. Right? Said to will change into told. So change it. I said to him, because there is no change, it's a proverb, fact. Next, you said to me, I shall not appear in the examination this year. You told me that you would not. So this I was talking about here. What I have told you here, na, this one. I told that according to rule, shall will change into should, but here you have changed into would. Because if you have changed into should, it will turn into obligation and the sense of the sentence will be wrong. Okay, so I'm always telling the students, although this is rule shall into should, but according to me, shall is always changing into would. Only it is changing into should whenever there is obligation. Okay, so this is the common mistake committed by students in exams. They are always changing shall into should, and then it is changing into obligation. Sense is changed. So shall into would mostly. So there you come to know why you have changed into would. Clear? Next, they said we shall not play the match tomorrow. Again, shall is changing into would. They would not play the match tomorrow, the next day, the following day. Don't forget to change these. Next, he said this is the play that these people want to stage here tonight. He said that, yes, this will again change into that, 2 times that. That is will change into was, simple present will change into past, was the play that, these will change into those people want to stage, here will change into there, tonight will change into that night. So many changes. Huh? They wanted, yes, they wanted. Next, she said to me, I shall invite all of you to the feast next week. That she would all of us, right? The following week, right? Good. I don't know then why it got wrong in test. Many students practice side by side. The Prime Minister said to the Nightingale, you are expected at the court today. Yes, Bhavna, you are unmuted.
मैम जो हमने दिस का हमने 2 बार दैट लिखा है उसमें 2 टाइम्स दैट थोड़ा लिखेंगे, एक ही बार ही लिखेंगे दैट.
Listen to me, why 2 times that? First of all, that is conjunction which we are using in narrative. You understand this now?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Let me show it on the.
Yes, ma'am.
For example, this sentences. Okay. Rohan said. How you will change? Rohan said. Then we use that in case of narration by omitting these inverted commas. Right? Bhavna 1, that is used in that. Then in that sentence again, this is the play. That this is the play. Okay? So in the sentences that this, ye that to aa gaya, and this will change into that. That was the play. This is the reason why there is 2 times that. Clear? Bhavna got?
मैम इस एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर ही ना, मैम इस एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर ही एक एग्जांपल है, उसमें दैट के बाद दिस लगाया हुआ है सेकंड एग्जांपल में.
It will change into that. Okay? 2 times भी आ जाता है. There is no doubt. Yes, next week will be changed.
मैम हमने शेल को वुड में क्यों चेंज किया?
Because बेटा शेल को वुड में इसलिए भूमिका चेंज किया because if you won't change
Excuse me, ma'am.
into should. So where we are using should when there is obligation, you should do this. You should, for example, you should
Yes.
perform your duty diligently. So there is obligation. But here the sentence we are changing future. We are not changing into obligation. This is the reason why we are changing shall into would. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next one. The Prime Minister we have changed. The Prime Minister said to the Nightingale, you are expected in the court today. The Prime Minister told the Nightingale that she was expected at the court that day. Okay. So next, afterwards, okay, then 2 are left, 2 to 3, this you can do. Next, let us revise the next one. Exercise 3, page number is 270. 270 page, exercise 3. Now, once Lincoln said, if I elected, I shall be thankful. If not, it will be all the same. This is a sort of dialogue. Yes, how it will be changed? Once Lincoln said that if he had been elected, was है ना, simple present will change into perfect. If he elected, I shall be thankful. So then how you will change? Okay, that if elected he would be thankful, and if not he would be all the same. Next, Gautam said to his disciples, if others speak against me or against my religion or against the order, there is no reason why you should be angry. Gautam told his disciples that others speak against him because it is a sermon, no change. Against him or against his religion or against the order, there is no reason why he should be angry. Sermon, it's a preaching. Socrates said, this plain speaking of mine is the cause of my unpopularity. This is statement, so it will change. Yes, Socrates said that plain speaking of his was the cause of his unpopularity. Right. The old mother said to Pasture, if you can cure animals, you can cure my son. Told Pasture that if he can will change into could. If he could cure animals, he could cure his son. Now Mahatma Gandhi, her son. Next, Mahatma Gandhi said, our quarrel is not with the British people. We fight with their imperialism. Said that their quarrel is not with the British people. They fought with their imperialism. The voice shouted, Bhimsen, you may drink only after answering my questions. Shouted at Bhimsen that he might drink right only after answering his questions. Right? Clear? Now, next exercise 4 of the similar type. Buddha said that we have to change into direct. This we will do. Now, next is conversion of interrogative sentences. How we will change? Let us revise the rules at once. First of all, there is no use of, this is the again mistake that you are committing, no use of that. That use nahi hota hai. We are not using that. Okay? Now, said to is changing into asked. In place of that, what we are using? In place of that, what we are using? We are using if or whether. See the spellings of whether. Right? And, but where if or whether? We will see if the question start with modal auxiliaries, for example, shall, will, helping verb, has, have, is, was, were. Okay? So then what we are using? We are using if or whether. Or in alternative way, we can also speak that these questions starting with these, they demand answer in yes or no. If the answer is in simplest words, I will say that if it demands answer in yes or no, then there is use of if or whether. For example, the mother said to Sonal, have you finished your meal? So now in this case, see, here your mother have, it is helping verb. Okay. So now, have you finished your meal? What kind of answer it will expect? It will expect an answer yes or no. Either the girl will said yes, I had, or the girl will say no. So now in this case, how it will be changed? The mother said to will change into asked Sonal. Yes, in spite of this, we are not using that. What we are using? If, yes, if have you, she had finished her meal. At the end, full stop. It means that sign of interrogation is changing into full stop. Clear? Now, but if the question in this, it is starting with question tags. Okay? What, where, when, who, WH1s, how, where, then there is no use of, for example, WH1, what, where, when, how, whose, whom. So then there is no use of no if or whether, because these questions they never demand answer in yes or no. For example, if I'll ask, change the same sentence. The mother said to Sonal, what is your name? The girl will answer, what will be the answer, expected answer? My name is Sonal. My name is so. So there is, we are not using if or whether. So how it will be changed? Suppose the mother said to say, mother said to her, I'm changing it to her. Okay, and here I'm writing, what is your name? How it will change? The mother asked her what was her name at the end, full stop. Again, I have not used that. That is not used. I'm also not using if or whether. This is again the mistake in the test. I have given the dialect, student were using here that. In interrogative, we are not using. What her name was? What her name was, subject first of all. Okay? Next, let us start the exercise. Yes, page number 274. Let us start on page number 274, the exercise. I said to her, do you want to go home? Sorry, he said to her. He asked her, first of all, see, do you want to go home? Expecting answer in yes or no. So then what will be? If she wanted to go home, at the end, full stop. Sahaj, do side by side. इतनी दूर से आप देख रहे हो ना? I don't know that you had a mile. Chalo. Next, he said to you, where are you going? You, where are you going? Where he was going. These are quite easier ones. You know? I said to him, what brings you here? I asked him, what brought him here? There, yes, right. Next, you said to us, how do you solve this sum? You asked us how we solved that sum. Interrogation will change, sign of interrogation will change into full stop, or interrogative sentence will be changed into affirmative. Next, he said to me, how are you getting on with your studies? I was getting on with my studies. Okay, right. I said to my friend, have you been to England? If he had been to England. Next, Sheila said to Sarla, why are you so happy today? Sheila Why she was so happy that day. It means that if I will provide you some help, then you are doing. है ना? I think in test you have forgotten the entire rules. Okay, now let us see the next part 2. Let us do 1 or 2. He said to me, who taught you English? She asked me. Active passive नहीं है. Who taught you English? Who? Okay, so fine. We will continue it the next thing, right? Okay, so by this the class is going to be over. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Just talk out the doubts and you can ask me. And you can also raise up your hand.